In a bright, lively forest, full of tall trees and singing birds, there lived a tiny ant with her large family. Since childhood, she was known for her clever mind, hard work, and quickness in everything she did. But over time, something began to trouble her heart. Whenever she watched the peacock spread his colorful feathers, she sighed, "Everyone claps for his beauty. No one ever looks at me." When the butterfly fluttered gracefully through the air, she whispered sadly, "If only I could fly like that. Why must I always crawl?" Even the squirrel made her envious as it jumped easily from branch to branch. Slowly, her heart grew heavy with jealousy. The once busy little ant who used to collect food before anyone else now spent her days staring into the distance, lost in gloomy thoughts. Her friends often asked, "Why do you seem so unhappy?" But she only smiled faintly and said nothing. One day, dark clouds gathered over the forest. A wild storm broke out, bringing roaring winds and pouring rain. Trees snapped, rivers flooded, and many animals were left frightened and homeless. The butterfly's delicate wings became soaked and useless. The squirrel's tree fell, leaving her trembling in the mud. Even the proud peacock, with his wet feathers, could no longer lift them to dance. The whole forest was in chaos, but deep underground, the ants were safe inside their strong tunnels. The little ant looked around and realized something. All this time, I wasted my days wishing for what others had. Yet now, they are the ones in trouble. Maybe I can help. Gathering courage, she called out to her friends. "Let's go help them. We can make a difference if we work together." Hundreds of ants formed neat lines and marched out. Some gently carried the butterfly to a dry leaf shelter. Some built a soft bed of leaves for the squirrel to rest. Others helped clean the mud and water from the peacock's feathers so he could lift his head again. The animals were amazed. How could such tiny creatures have such big hearts? When the rain finally stopped and sunlight warmed the forest once more, the butterfly, squirrel, and peacock came to thank the ant. The peacock said softly, "I have never seen beauty greater than yours." The squirrel added, "You showed me that real strength lies in kindness, not in size." And the butterfly smiled and said, "You may not have wings, but today you helped us all fly again." For the first time, the little ant felt proud of who she was. She understood that every creature has its own special gift and purpose. From that day onward, she no longer compared herself with others. She worked happily, knowing that greatness is not measured by beauty, power, or fame, but by a kind heart and the will to do good. Jealousy makes us forget our own gifts. We waste our time wishing for what others have instead of using what we already hold inside. True greatness isn't in feathers or flight. It lives in compassion, courage, and service. Being small has never been a weakness. It only takes a big heart to make the smallest one truly great. If this little tale touched your heart today, press the like button, share it with someone who needs hope, and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from?